guys. Chachibiri, ufuna ndikulimbikitseni. The whole youth is with you. Ndemanga mungoziwira ma statistic ya youth majority and youth. Inanasi. Mankula naso ndi bwana omwe kuti unoko inanasi wingi ukhandeli strong. Imangofuna kuti support yake sizofuna zatisiza mbili. Lifere mapanga zinthu zifuati mafuna kuti disinteze kule. Abalanga ukugona ninja yazitezo. Chifukwa kuti masipena Mano zangu ni zambile. Mano tusende.
When I saw that, chance in the one, UTM tonight the challenge most. Could director of youth, they could student affairs. Student affairs, I think must in so must she akawe somebody woman I think anatezeka kuti amatembesana I think amapanga ntchito zina ndio napeza kuti director ya student affairs inakanga kuti activities zina ndifa chake mona kumabwera director ya ifa linalonyo komano politics the politics taina keso ubalowaso kwa cross line umakame sintazote umakanga kubira nchila ndani ife kanakonda kuti youth directorate ndi ya student affairs ikanapangidwa meji kukhala imozi because youth some are students, some are not students, some are in school, some are out of school. Even in your graduate, you are still youth. So my demographics, of course, my needs, I'm a Kausiana, but you're still youth. It's just good to direct or you can't do my strategies. Tonight, I DFA. My phone implement as UTM, with the UTM scholarship fund. The UTM scholarship fund idea imachogera ku youth directorate maona komano tindi student affair so palizindizana tikozo kamba vanova zisinga nani to avoid this misinterpretation komano whether you like it or not and community more concerned, you should be more concerned. This is very mad, you know. Mazo even if fail, made him grow. Even in any kind of all I need to do is grow up and have money. All I need to do is grow up and have a fancy car and drive in town. I thought all I had to do was be able to go in a club. Yes, you get it. Commando, as you grow, whether you like it or not, until you grow up, one of you realize what I say. I'm a mother, I'm a father. You get it? Then even Mukurumano, Malantraina to Matamangona Rajanch. We know her. She's a mother, her sister, Anamusiawdi. Wow. Because more than a and they're heading households. And just call them I get it. So, agenda I'm allowed. Problem with the politics, many in a bank do present to Malay. No. Politics, it's a dirty game. And we've always had, and I met more on politics, crooks. People we don't trust. Yes? And then you see someone going to politics to become a millionaire overnight. Yes? And the character where it doesn't back up. You know what they are? You get it? To make things worse. To make things worse. Do you know what happened in Generation Action? 10 June. Before 10 June, youth campaign. Remember, Mama Sukutis Bunga participate in politics. No? After 10 June, what happened? SKC falls. Now let me show you the danger. SKC falls. Do you know them cause a member of one in the house? I'm going to be careful. What do you say, sir? That is in the zone. Whatever Nazo Fredo. You were full mirror. You get it, eh? And I mean, I'm not a full mirror. Whatever Nazo. Suda Madana di Fredo. You know, Kabudi. they wish me well. The further you go, you get it, eh? Now let me show you something now. They dangerous, serious, but danger, serious, but do you know why? You have now a generation here. You have a generation here. No sin, no. You would know the society is projecting fear and a no-go zone. A no-go zone in industry in the area you matters the most good issue actively participate. So when you see me say good, I'm in politics, I'm standing, it's because one of us has to defy the odds. You get it? One of us. Guys, can we finish? Yeah. One of us has to demystify whatever says. This is a no-go zone, this is dangerous, because the more we affirm, as many as just fear manager, it's the more things are getting worse. Do you know Gudi Mafana Mbila Mena Mabanga commit suicide? I'm being a graduate. Now the unfortunate part is you find out already you graduate. Can I finish? Yeah. You realize Gudi, when you graduate, it's always Gudi, you're in a society where you end up finding medicine like school most of them. And the society, you have if Magangano attack one be if not even a graduate and a degree, the graduated, the people are job. The people are that is as a result of imbalance in many people with regards to progress, because progress here we have 4 years. You mean nature, it should be in an environment that enables you to be a better person, because you have demonstrated discipline, you have demonstrated good. I want to do this. You want to pursue a career, but nobody is not making sense. So all in all, you guys, whether you like it or not, you have a huge responsibility, even more than they are responsible now. Because whether you like it or not, you wake up one day, I will not be there, but there will be a decision you have to make, and decision made, it will be affected by my decisions. So some of us, I don't know how far God will take us on this journey, but it is just put in a small way. Let's make sure we contribute on the journey. Whoever is coming before us, we might not do everything. Even maybe more than 20, but we don't have the answers to everything. But at least, if we have faith in the right things, the energy to do the right things, that's why we are here. Yeah, in short, today